Can you relax on a Carnival cruise?
This is fun, but definitely not relaxing.
On this recess, we're exploring ways to relax on Carnival Cruise Line.
You want me to relax here?
From adults-only areas
You're not going to be one of those people that wears a robe around the ship, are you?
to a fancy sea day tea time,
How am I supposed to relax out here with all this going on?
and much more, like an Imax theater at sea.
Oh, it went on my neck.
Subscribe to our channel and join our YouTube membership for exclusive content.
That was really rude. Oh my god.
You know what time it is. It's recess time.
First rule to relaxing on a cruise: sleep in, right? You don't have to work. Hopefully you're not on a timetable. Just allow yourself to sleep in, especially on a sea day, which is what we're doing today. These beds on Carnival aren't the most comfortable, so make sure to ask your room steward when you board to get a mattress topper. Much more comfortable. Alright, one thing that you can always do to guarantee yourself a little relaxation time here on the cruise ship is if you have a balcony room, sit on your balcony. That's something that Abed and I usually don't do. We don't take time to enjoy the balcony, and so we're actually doing that this time. The water is beautiful, the sun is shining in, it feels great out here. Just listening to the water and enjoying the peace and quiet. This is a great way to start our day. We have our coffee, and is there anything better than this? I mean, just look at this.
Today is all about trying to find a way to relax, because so many people say you can't relax on a Carnival cruise. We're going to put that to the test. We're not the relaxation type, so I don't know. Can we?
Abed, we're not in a suite. Where did you get a robe from?
Right? Oh, where did I get a robe? Well, all you gotta do is call your steward and ask them for robes. It's complimentary for use, throughout the ship. And I don't know, for our relaxation day, I figured, why not? Zhuzh it up. We're not normally robe boys, but yeah. FYI, if you're not in a suite, all you gotta do is call. Of course, if you're in a suite, they come already in the room, but they're pretty nice.
You're not going to be one of those people that wears a robe around the ship, are you?
Oh, I'm not one of those people? I'm not gonna be one of... I'll be whatever I want to be.
Okay.
Robe time!
Alright, we're really doing this, huh?
Doing what? What do you mean?
Let's look at the fit. You got the robe and the Crocs.
Yeah, well, what did you mean by we're really doing this?
Just wearing that outside the room.
Today's relaxation day, so yes,
Okay.
it's happening.
Alright.
The buffet is a little hectic this morning, but I know a place where we can go and enjoy our delicious breakfast. And guys, y'all, it's bacon day on Carnival Cruise. If you know, you know. So that's definitely happening. One plate of bacon, please. All right, got my breakfast. Now let's go find a place to enjoy this. It's a little more serene. Y'all, I gotta say, for 7 a.m., everyone out here is relaxing. I don't see, like, a big giant party or anything going on. Granted, it's still only 7, but so far it seems like you can relax on Carnival. But hey, we still got a long day. Let's go relax.
Alright, Abed, we're doing all this walking. Where are we going? This doesn't seem very relaxing so far.
Look, sometimes you have to put in a little bit of effort to relax. We all know that, right? Goes without saying. But that was a relaxing stroll. It wasn't that bad. Maybe a few feet. Plus, I got my bacon. And trust me, where we're going, it's going to be so relaxing, so perfect this morning that you're not going to worry about those steps.
Ah, you brought us to the Serenity deck.
That's right. Here we are on deck 15 here on the Carnival Vista. Now, the Carnival ships have Serenity decks. It might vary based off your ship, but here on the Vista, it's on 15. We're going to enjoy ourselves a little breakfast time up here. It's nice, it's quiet, and we're going to have a wonderful morning. We'll probably spend maybe about an hour or so up here, but all I know is this bacon smells divine. It's bacon day, and it's relaxation day. So let's go do both those things.
Yeah, for those of you that don't know, the Serenity deck here on Carnival Cruise Lines is the adult-only area, so no kids up here. It's generally a little bit quieter. We're here pretty early in the morning, so there's lots of chairs to choose from, clamshells, day beds, loungers, and this is just a great space to come unwind and get away from all the craziness. There's even hot tubs, a bar, I think they serve salads up here during lunchtime. It's just a really nice space, and the energy, way low key. All right, Abed, I don't know about you. It's getting a little warm. The sun's peeking out, and the shade in here is disappearing. So I'm toasting a little bit. You want to walk around Serenity and just enjoy the breeze on the open ocean?
Yes, breakfast was great. The bar is actually about to open up here on Serenity. Later they have like a salad bar, so we might actually have to get ourselves a little fresh creations, but Chris is not wrong. It is a little hot for a robe, but that was definitely a great start to our morning. Now we're just going to go back and see what else we can get into.
Okay, so a little known fact, or maybe it's just a well-kept secret here on the Carnival ships, is that if you don't want to use the shower curtain that gives you a nice warm hug in your stateroom, you can come down to the fitness center and use the locker room showers. They're much larger. They still have shampoo and conditioner and everything you need. And it's just an overall better experience. And you don't have to share the shower. If you have a room that you're sharing a bunch of people with, this is a good alternative.
In terms of the spa, you can actually go in. They've got these whirlpools, which they sound great, but you can, either you're VIP and you have like a wristband, or you have to get like a day pass or by the hour. But as great as the salesman was, we opted to just kind of bypass that. We're gonna hit the hot tub later and we'll just do that on our own. But just FYI, if you're coming on board, you know, that's an option for you. But for now, I'm robing and we're walking the deck. All right, Chris, we're here in the library and I challenge you to a relaxing game of Jenga.
The library here on the Vista, it's a nice quiet area. They have board games and other activities for you to use. You can obviously bring your own from home and play in here. And they also have books if you just want to like chill out in here and read. And I think they have, or they used to have like wine and stuff here at the bar. I think they do that later at night, but yeah, there's usually like nobody in here and they're just playing some soft music and it's a nice escape from the normal cruise activities. So let's get Jenga-ing.
So what exactly is your strategy here?
Find the loose blocks and pull the loose blocks. Isn't that everyone's strategy? Your move.
I gotta say, this is probably gonna be the fastest game of Jenga ever.
We're playing reckless over here.
Do you think it's because of the ocean and we're moving so much? Like,
I think it's because we stacked them wrong the first time. They weren't straight, but that's fine.
We're missing a piece.
We also were missing a piece, so already the integrity of the game is off.
Oh, I'm gonna get it. It's not over yet. It is not over.
I knew you were going for that one.
You didn't know anything.
After you ravaged the tower. He's trying to sabotage the game. Dang it. I did that.
I don't know about you, but one thing that relaxes me is a little retail therapy. So let's go buy some stuff and relax. Look at the haul, you guys. Like, so retail therapy is a thing. We got ourselves a Celebration Key t-shirt. Look how awesome that is. Now, we're going to be going to Celebration Key. This is the first sailing, and there's definitely going to be a lot of merch there. We'll cover it in that video. But Vista shirt. Yeah. And we got a couple other shirts in there. You're just going to have to keep watching to see them. But take a look at our towel animal. What is it? It's a crab, right? 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah. Maybe?
I don't know. Long neck crab?
I have no idea.
Oh, our other one's gone. We should have told him not to get rid of it, but it's cute. All right, our relaxation day continues. We decided to take a moment and have some afternoon tea. What's more relaxing than that? Look, y'all cruisers, especially you experienced ones, probably know how to relax, but like we've been saying, Chris and I, we're always go, go, go. So today is all about relaxing and more importantly, seeing if it's possible on a Carnival ship. Tea time is not something they often advertise. In fact, it's buried deep within the app. You have to go to food and drinks and all the way at the bottom, it'll say afternoon tea time. So just make sure you look out for that. It's not on what's happening. You won't find it anywhere else. It's like they don't want to do it anymore. But Chris and I have done it on the Vista. We've done it on the Jubilee.
Yeah, afternoon high tea is something that Carnival doesn't really advertise a whole lot. And you just kind of have to know about it. It's spread through word of mouth and is really popular. Who doesn't love a good high tea service? But it's on every single sea day at 3 p.m. sharp in one of the dining rooms, so you might have to check the app or ask around. But 3 p.m. on every sea day, you can do high tea, so let's get in there. All right, we got our table here right by the window, and we're at the aft of the ship, so we get a really cool shot of the wake. This is a great setting for afternoon tea, and again, kind of a hidden gem of Carnival Cruises. They don't really advertise this a lot, but it's a nice relaxing thing to do in the afternoon. Just traditional tea service. They bring around cakes, they bring around cucumber sandwiches, salmon, some other pastries as well. And you can get tea, which we did. Ooh, what are those, macaroons? And those are like little quiches, like little tarts.
Lemon tart, macaron.
So they just brought some macarons and some tarts for us. And this is great. And like, I got decaf tea because I didn't need to be all hyped up on caffeine, but let's give it a taste, shall we? Pinky's out. That's delicious. So good. Nice, calming, relaxing, quiet. It's a good vibe back here.
Ooh, that's good. Even though it's just Lipton, you can pay extra for the premium tea. Chris and I don't have the drink package, so we opted just to relax. Just stick with the Lipton tea, add some sugar, perfectly fine. But y'all, the pastries here, really good. Definitely a step above like what you're gonna find on the buffet, but this is all complimentary. Obviously, we could pay extra for premium tea, but everything you see here, all these pastries, sandwiches, it just comes with it. Chris, do you feel relaxed? Are you relaxing?
No, this is great. This is such a chill thing to do.
Right?
It's so quiet in here. They're playing nice, like, classical music. It's just a nice time. And you're at the back of the ship. You got good views, delicious tea, some nice pastries. Yeah, I think this is if you're looking for something chill to do on the ship, get away from the hustle and bustle, tea time is it.
This is actually really good. I know it's just Lipton. It's been a while since I've had just tea, hot tea. Chris and I are all about our cold drinks, typically cold coffee, cold brew. But I really do feel relaxed, especially on Carnival Cruises because they do have a reputation for being bump, 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 boots and cats. You know, choose fun, right? They're the fun ships, but they have a reputation. But so far, we have found multiple ways to relax, but the day's not over. We're gonna see if we can continue this trend.
Okay, so tea time has been fantastic, super chill, but then we gotta wrap this up because we have a movie at the Imax screen. That's right, there's an Imax screen on the ship. Let's go show you.
Video.
Oh, that was really rude. Oh my god.
What a Hey everyone! I'm hungry. Let's go eat. All of that relaxing really worked up an appetite.
But I gotta say, look at that. Carnival Vista.
I know,
But
but sure it's comfortable.
Yeah, we are hungry. Like I said earlier, oh, why is it so windy out here? We are splitting up. Chris wants burrito, taco, bowl. I don't know. He's doing that. We had that yesterday. It was really good. And I'm in a more chill mood, so I decided to go to the buffet. We'll see how hectic it is here, but you know, to be honest, I don't know if it's because this is the first sailing to Celebration Key that the CEO is on here, and that's why it hasn't felt like two boots and cats. All right, I just wanted something quick and easy. I got the Salisbury steak, I got the chicken tendy, and I went to the sandwich bar and got the truffle aioli, some fries. They got a cheddar biscuit. Look, I have a palate of a 12-year-old, so I don't care. It's delicious.
I got a burrito bowl from Blue Iguana Cantina, again, because it's so good. It's like a little Chipotle, guacamole, sour cream.
So I wasn't out there for the burrito, but was it relaxing?
The line was not, but it was relaxing eating it.
Wasn't that long, was it?
No, it was actually, it moved really quick. But are you good?
Why'd you bring me here? Red Frog Pub is like always drippy. I can't relax. You want me to relax here?
You're the one who suggested it.
I forgot how drippy it is. Literally every other booth drips.
Ew. It's because we're under like the AC condenser, I think.
I don't know.
I don't know.
Anyway, I'm gonna enjoy my coffee because I'm gonna be super caffeinated for F1.
We're supposed to be relaxing.
Oh, well then I ordered the wrong beverage.
That's right.
Oh, it went on my neck.
It's just water.
Yeah. But what kind? Okay, so on this relaxing sea day, we are here at the Imax Theater. We're gonna watch F1. Now, we saw Superman here the other day, but for those of you that don't know, the Carnival Vista, one of, I think, a few ships that actually has an IMAX screen. a proper Imax screen. There's only 2, I believe, in the entire fleet. How cool is that? So we're gonna go relax. Obviously we can't film in here because, you know, copyright. Whew. So we'll let you know how these movies are once we're out of here. Both movies, Superman and F1. Man, F1 on the big screen. Some of those shots were just amazing. And because we're on the ocean, like, it was rocking. It felt like a 4D experience without the 4D price.
That's right. That's what I was telling Ed. Like, in some of those scenes, we're like moving back and forth, and the cars are racing. Great movie. It's so clutch to have a movie theater on board the ship. What a crazy novel idea, right? You know, I know not everybody like goes on a cruise, and you know, your first thing on your mind isn't always like, I want to go see a movie. But it's just nice to have the option in case you just want to sit in a quiet theater. It wasn't full at all. And it's cool they play first run films, so you don't have to wait for stuff to come out in theaters back home. It can come out and you can be on the ship. Like Superman literally just came out and they're showing it on the ship. So really cool. But right now, the bed and I are lounging in, what do you call these things? I'm going to say a day bed. A big bed thingy out on the deck. That's one cool thing about the Carnival Vista is they have these everywhere. There's so many places to just find to chill out. Little alcoves where you can watch the ocean, and it's nice and quiet out here, and you can just enjoy each other's company, enjoy the water, enjoy the waves, and get away from all the hustle and bustle inside, all the activity. Alright, so it's early evening and we're here in Ocean Plaza, one of our favorite places to chill out. We're enjoying some live music. I'm wondering if he's an Oasis cover artist, because this is the second song by Oasis he's sang in a row. First was Wonderwall, now he's singing Champagne Supernova. Not complaining, love Oasis, but Ocean Plaza is just a chill vibe right now. There's not a lot of people here, just one artist up on the stage, playing some tunes. It's a good vibe right now.
Chris, would you say this is your favorite lobby?
Out of the Carnival ship?
Yeah.
I don't know. I kind of like the lobby on the Breeze and the Dream. You know, the like old school atriums that you can see the glass elevators and they go like all the way to the top deck.
Yeah.
Those are cool lobbies.
I mean, but this is better than the Grand Central situation.
Yeah, that's true. At least this is like a real atrium. All right, Abed got his doubles. I guess he doesn't want us to relax.
Doesn't that?
Or maybe this will help us relax a lot.
I think it will. I will. Cheers.
Cheers.
Trust me, we're drinking responsibly. It's our only drink. We already had dinner. First dinner. But we're just jamming. We're just relaxing. There's a show tonight. Carnival is not like, we're not show people on Carnival. It's just not for us. But the live music has been really good on this cruise. All right, despite the fact that we joke that, you know, we don't know how to relax. Today has been a super relaxing day, but it's not over.
I'm feeling good. Could be the night juice. Uh-oh. Red Frog is bumping.
Something about being out here at night, it's just so creepy, yo. Being on level 2, on deck 2, you're so close to the waterline. I know we've talked about this, but being out here right now, I'm having to like hold on because I'm actually legit scared. I think I'm gonna go back inside.
What else would we be doing on a day of relaxation than ordering room service? You have to order room service. So to end the night, I got myself a delicious cheese pizza, just like Kevin McAllister. So I'm gonna kick back, relax, and enjoy this pizza. What a perfect way to end off a day of relaxation. It turns out you can relax on a Carnival cruise. It doesn't all have to be go, 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 party, party, party. It can be if you want it to be, but if you want to find some relaxation time, just some time to unwind, you can totally do that on Carnival. Don't listen to the naysayers. We showed you how to do it. But we hope you enjoyed this, and like we always say, live your life one recess at a time.